In the hustle and bustle of life, we often overlook the secret to a healthier lifestyle: natural ingredients. Enter the 310 Shake, a blend that delivers more than just taste. After a 30-day expedition into its composition, I discovered a formula that holds safety and efficacy at its core. Components like Whey Protein Isolate and Milk Protein Concentrate aren't just randomly selected. They're backed by credible research like the British Journal of Nutrition study, which highlights Whey's role in weight loss. Pea protein in the blend works to suppress your appetite, while Fibersol 2 promotes a healthier digestive system. Plus, the shake is fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, such as niacin and calcium, sans artificial additives. My personal journey with the 310 Shake led to fewer cravings, an increased metabolism, and long-lasting energy. It's more than just a shake. It's a step towards a healthier, confident you. So, why wait? Explore the 310 Shake and tap into its potential to support your health and weight loss goals by checking out the attached link.